Look at all the spectators.
Yay!
Yay! Faith, you get us backwards so we can
I'm trying.
see Brady again.
Got it. Oh, he's on the other side.
Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
Yeah, I can see him through the window.
He's right there.
This is amazing.
This is amazing.
I can't find Grump.
Gronk isn't on the same boat as him, I don't think.
No, he's on the other one.
He might be on the boat way over there with the cheerleaders.
I think that's where he is. Look at this one.
Well, Faithy, I don't think we could get closer seats.
Oh, his kids.
Oh, there they are.
Oh my God. Oh, he's going to the back.
All right, Faithy, we can't go past here because it's boats and we're gonna get run over. Oh, Faithy, go! They're drinking the thing.
Stop.
They're doing the champagne everywhere. Yes, sir. There's the trophy, folks, right there. Yes, sir, we're throwing footballs to these. Come on, throw it over here. Faithy, I gotta put this phone down because I will dive in for this ball.
Yeah.